Hello, everyone. My name is Amanda, and welcome to the Alberta School of Business Bachelor of Commerce presentation. Today, I will be covering our degree programs, admission information, and some exciting students' experiences that you can get involved in. So put your phones down and listen up, because I'm about to give you so many reasons why you should join the Bachelor of Commerce program. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, please feel free to stop by our booth after the presentation. I want to start by saying that the University of Alberta acknowledges that we are located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First Peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant communities. The University of Alberta is ranked as a top 5 university in Canada and in the top 150 in the world. There is something for everyone. So whether it's studying abroad, research opportunities, work experience opportunities, or one of the 900+ courses we offer, you can find your purpose here. Not to mention our great student life opportunities, student groups, our stunning campus, and residence choices that will absolutely meet your needs. So now I'm going to tell you a bit more about the Alberta School of Business, which was founded in 1916 and is the longest accredited business school in Canada. We hold 4 3M Teaching Awards for teaching excellence, which is a testament to having some of the most incredible professors teaching our courses. The Alberta School of Business is one of the top 10 business schools in Canada and is also one of the largest business schools in Canada. What it means to be a part of a large business school is that our students have more degree options, more majors to choose from, and more business student clubs to get involved in. Being part of a large business school just means more opportunities to choose from. The Bachelor of Commerce program is offered in 4 different degree options. The main Bachelor of Commerce program, the Bachelor of Commerce Cooperative Education program, where students will complete 12 months of work experience, the Bilingual Bachelor of Commerce program, which is completed in partnership with Campus Saint-Jean, the French language campus at the U of A, and the BCom Honors Degree program. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on all of these degree options. BCom students in the main Bachelor of Commerce program will have 12 majors to choose from. We have traditional majors that you will see at every major business school, such as accounting, marketing, and finance, but we also offer many unique and non-traditional majors, such as entrepreneurship and innovation, international business, and our newest major, business technology management. Our Bachelor of Commerce honors degree is offered in 3 different areas of study: accounting, finance, and operations management. Students in this major will focus on one specialized area of study. As this is an honors degree program, it does require a high degree of performance and focus. It is the perfect option for students who are interested in continuing their education with research-focused graduate business studies. The Bilingual degree program was the first bilingual BCom program in Canada. It is offered in collaboration with Campus Saint-Jean at the which is the University of Alberta's French language campus. Students in the Bilingual BCom program will complete their first year at Campus Saint-Jean and the following 3 years between North Campus and CSJ. This gives students the unique opportunity of belonging to 2 individual university campus communities. The final degree program offered by the Alberta School of Business is the Cooperative Education degree program. This degree offers students the opportunity to complete 3 paid work terms for a total of 12 months of business-related work experience. Students will have the opportunity to apply the concepts that they learned in the classroom to the real world, as well as test driving their future careers. This degree is available to students from all 12 majors. The co-op program is partnered with hundreds of different companies in a variety of different locations, industries, and businesses, which allows students to gain professional skills in a learning environment. Many employers will choose to employ co-op students because of their previous work experience. Nearly 50% of our co-op grads receive job offers from an employer upon graduation, and our post-graduation employment rate is 90% for our co-op grads. Co-op grads also earn 3 to 5% higher salaries upon graduation due to their work experience. Over 12 months of work experience, students will earn approximately $36,000 to $40,000, which is quite an impressive salary for a student. Our business career service team does not just run the co-op program. They also offer a multitude of services for all business students, such as resources for finding a job, career guidance, feedback on applications, mock interviews, and career development. Their contact information is included below if you would like to reach out and make any inquiries. Alongside our degrees, students can also complete certificates as an extra designation. One of the most popular certificates in our program is the Leadership Certificate Program. This program brings students together for a unique learning experience where they are mentored by extraordinary men and women from all walks of life who have demonstrated their own leadership abilities in our community. The Leadership Certificate program takes 2 years to complete. Students will take one course in each the fall and winter term of their final 2 years in the BCom program. These courses emphasize a collaborative learning environment where students learn the skills that leaders possess, such as inspiring trust, loyalty, managing people, conflict resolution, goal orientation, and ethics. This is an incredible opportunity for students that see themselves as a future leader in our community. Business students are well known around campus for their love of getting involved. Whether it's business student clubs, case competitions, study abroad opportunities, they want to do it all. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the opportunities available for students outside of the classroom. The Alberta School of Business offers 26 different student clubs. There is a student club associated with every business major. So whether you are studying in marketing, finance, or entrepreneurship, there is a club for you. Clubs are a great way to network, get involved, and meet new people. Also, there is a business student club fair that happens every fall, which is a great way to get to know which clubs are right for you. Have you ever considered studying abroad? The BCom program is partnered with 28 business schools around the world. So whether you want to study in Thailand, Scotland, or Australia, we can make it happen for you. If you are excited about the possibility of studying abroad, but don't know how to fund the experience, well, there are scholarships, bursaries, and awards available to help you pay for your study abroad opportunities. If you choose to study at one of our 28 partnered business schools, then you will also be paying U of A tuition while on your study abroad term. Another amazing opportunity for students in the BCom program is called the Program for Research and Investment Management Excellence, or PRIME. PRIME is a student-run investment portfolio which manages a fund of $1.7 million. This is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for students to be guided and supported as they learn how to invest and manage a portfolio of this magnitude. This is quite an exclusive business club, as only 8 to 10 students are admitted to PRIME every year. But if you see yourself as a future investment analyst working on Wall Street, then this is the perfect club for you. Case competitions are also one of the most popular activities that students will get involved in throughout their degree. Case competitions are where undergraduate students from across the nation compete to come up with the best solution to a business-related case. These competitions will test your critical thinking skills, your teamwork skills, and your classroom knowledge. However, they are also amazing opportunities to work alongside your peers, represent your school, and travel locally, nationally, and even internationally to compete. So now you're thinking, well, how do I actually apply into this program? Well, you can apply now by visiting uab.ca/apply. One exciting piece of news this year is that the BCom program is now direct entry from high school. For admission from high school, students are required to complete English 30-1, Math 30-1, and a combination of 3 other subjects from Group A, B, and C. Unfortunately, Math 30-2 cannot be used in this calculation. As well, alongside these courses, students will need to maintain a competitive high school average for admission. For students applying as a post-secondary transfer, you will need a minimum of 24 units of course weight. This includes 6 pre-professional courses and 2 electives. You can complete any 2 100-level English courses, Econ 101, Econ 102, Mathematics 154, and Stats 161. Alongside these courses, you will also be required to present a competitive GPA for admission. Some key dates to be mindful of are the January 12th awards deadline. If the question of how to pay for your university bothers you, you may be interested in scholarships. So please check out uab.ca/awards for more information. But remember that the application-based awards deadline is on January 12th. A few more key dates is that our application opens on October 1st. The scholarship deadline is on January 12th, and the application deadline is on March 1st. We always encourage our prospective students to apply early. Another reason to submit your application for admission early is to ensure that you are able to apply for scholarships and awards before that January 12th deadline. If you would like to connect with us after my presentation, please feel free to follow us on any social media accounts or reach out to us via email to make your way over to the chat box to speak with an advisor or current student. We look forward to seeing you next fall.